Hey YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Venture Biker. So, this is probably indicated there. I'll make sure all my cameras are recording. So I'm going to do a wee loop of the Three Locks road. And then basically just head home. So this is sort of the route we're going to be doing next week with the boys, maybe a wee bit further afield maybe, but adding this in. I need to take my time round here because cars have got a habit of doing that, braking really hard going round the corner. Now if you're already taking a corner when you do it, it's kinda can make it a wee bit difficult for you. This is a nice road, this. I just need to look out for the sign. Is that it? Three Locks Road. That's it. That's what I'm looking for. I think this is it up on the right hand side here. The last time I did this I was with a group of YouTubers and it was wet. So what I want to do is I want to get it into
Chasing freedom, sun or rain. Twist the throttle, mountains rise. Cliffs of Dover, ferry-bound, Irish shores and German towns, alpine passes, gravel trails, whiskey nights and windy gales, campsites, castles, twisty bends, roadside laughs and biker friends, from Loch Lomond to Budapest, chasing sunsets, chasing quests.
Wheels on the wind, buses rolling free, across Europe's roads to the Scottish Sea. Adventure calls, hear the engine cry, Buster rides on 'neath an open sky. Every turn's a story, every road a friend. No matter where the journey ends, we ride again. Wheels on the wind, Buster's riding strong, through the valleys, through the storm, from Europe's heart to Scotland's shore. Buster rides on forevermore. Wheels on the wind, Buster's riding strong, through the valleys, through the storm, from Europe's heart to Scotland's shore. Buster rides on forevermore.
There you go, that was the three sisters I call them, but the three locks. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. I know quite some of my viewers have not subscribed, so please do. And I don't mind if you don't ring the notification bell, but if you're watching the videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep rubber side down. And remember to take life 1 mile at a time. Catch you later.